Hey guys, it's Lucita here. I'm going to show you a bit of double Autobrewer. So there's the materials you're going to need, and let's get straight into it. First, you want to start with the Z pattern. You'll put it up by 1. We're going to do this 3.5 times. Once we get to the 4th, we're going to do an L shape, put it back by 2, and we're going to go back to start. We're going to get 3 out just like so for the whole thing, and we're going to come out by 1 just on each thing, mirroring the other side. Now we're going to work in the clock. We're going to count. Go from this block 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll make a rectangle 6 by 3. Once you've done that, we're going to put redstone. Just around here, we're going to put a repeater just there to repeat the connection. Alright, we're going to put 4 repeaters here, every second block. Mirror on the other side. On these outlier blocks, you're going to put redstone torches. Just like so. Alright, we're going to work in the clock. We're going to put redstone dust in between here. Put 3 repeaters here. Redstone dust facing that block. We're going to put repeaters on 4 ticks. Alright, now that we've done that, we are going to grab some materials for the clock. We're going to grab a sticky piston, face it towards the back, and a regular piston face towards the front. Alright, put a redstone block on that regular piston and 2 comparators facing the blocks. We're going to grab hoppers facing to each other, just like so. And we want to grab some redstone, put it right here, 2 blocks on top of that. We're going to grab a repeater, boom, 2 up like that. Put a lever on that, we're going to activate it. I'm going to chuck a redstone torch right here. Now, just for that, we are going to grab 27 items just for vanilla Minecraft. We're going to chuck them in there, and then that should activate it. Alright, now we're going to grab some hoppers, chests, and brewing stands, and we're going to just fill it just like so, just following according redstone. Just like so, and we put chests and trap chests like that. What I like to do at the top, I want to put 2 hoppers into both sides, and I want to put hoppers facing to the back. Alright, now we're up here, I'm going to put hoppers just like so, put chests right here, chests here, trap chest. Now we're going to grab some water and signs, put 2 signs here and 2 signs here. Put water just inside, just like that. We've got an infinite water source now. Now we're going to work on the drop down. So we're going to build 3 down, just like so. Let's see, I've already done it here, but just going to build 3 down. Just fill it in. Just like that. Alright. Once you've done that, we're going to grab the chest, we're going to repeat it, just like so. Hoppers in the back of that. And as we know that one side of the Autobrewer actually makes 3.5 dubs of items, so we want at least 3 dubs, which we've got 4 dubs here, drop down, so it will not overfill. So that's pretty much it. If you've got any questions or concerns, check in the comments, and thanks for watching.